Welcome to Meditation Mindspace. I'm Lena Waters, and today we're going to explore the transformative power of mindfulness meditation. Did you know that just 10 minutes of mindfulness meditation each day can reduce stress levels by up to 30%? It's a simple practice with powerful benefits that anyone can start. In today's fast-paced world, finding a moment of peace can seem impossible. That's where mindfulness meditation comes in. This practice is about being fully present, embracing the here and now, and letting go of stress. In this video, I'll guide you through the basics, perfect for beginners looking to incorporate mindfulness into their lives. By the end, you'll have the tools to start your own meditation practice and experience its calming effects firsthand. Starting meditation can feel daunting, especially when you're new to it. You might think, I don't have time for this, or my mind is too busy to sit still. These are common challenges, but they don't have to be roadblocks. Let's address them one by one. Finding time is often the first hurdle. The good news is, even a few minutes can make a big difference. The key is consistency, not the length of time you meditate. Then, there's the issue of staying focused. It's normal for your mind to wander. Everyone experiences this. The practice of mindfulness is about gently bringing your focus back to the present moment again and again. And lastly, feeling overwhelmed is natural when starting something new. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. To overcome these challenges, remember that meditation is about showing up, not about being perfect. Each time you meditate, you're building a stronger connection to the present moment. Now, let's walk through the steps to start meditating. Begin by choosing a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, your favorite chair, or a peaceful spot in nature. Make sure you're comfortable, whether you're sitting on a cushion, in a chair, or even lying down. Keep your back straight but relaxed, and rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Next, decide on a time that works best for you. Early morning or before bed are great options. The goal is to make meditation a habit, so try to practice at the same time each day. When you begin, start with just a few minutes. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Focus on your breath. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then gently leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Gently guide your attention back to your breath. This simple focus on breathing is the foundation of mindfulness meditation. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become to maintain focus and find that sense of calm. Now let's try a brief guided meditation together. Close your eyes if you haven't already, and take a deep breath in and out. Begin by focusing on your breath. Notice the sensation of air moving in and out of your body. Imagine each inhale bringing in calmness and each exhale releasing any tension. As you continue to breathe, allow your mind to settle into the rhythm of your breath. If a thought or distraction arises, acknowledge it without judgment and then gently return your focus to your breath. Now let's do a brief body scan. Starting at the top of your head, slowly bring your attention down to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. If you notice any tension, take a deep breath and release it. Continue scanning down through your neck, shoulders, arms, hands. Let go of any tightness you feel, allowing your body to relax further with each breath. Move your focus to your chest, abdomen, lower back, and hips. Notice any sensations, and with each exhale, feel the tension melt away. Finally, bring your attention to your legs, knees, ankles, and feet. Allow your entire body to be at ease, grounded in the present moment. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling a sense of calm and peace washing over you. As you begin to bring your awareness back to the room, take a moment to appreciate the calm and relaxation you've cultivated. Mindfulness meditation is a simple yet powerful tool that can transform your life. By taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath and be present, you can reduce stress, increase calm, and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, meditation is a practice. Every time you sit, you're making progress. Start small, be consistent, and soon you'll notice the benefits in your daily life. You don't need to be perfect or meditate for hours. Just start where you are, and with time, you'll see the positive changes in your mind and body. Thank you for joining me today on Meditation Mindspace. If you found this guide helpful, please share your experiences or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out my other videos on wellness and meditation. Subscribe for more guided practices and tips to help you find inner peace. See you next time.